Hi traders and welcome to ECS Elite Currency Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad and I will be, as always, quick with trading ideas. As you can see, I've been trading a lot lately, a lot of good trades, guys. And just to let you know, our great trades feature on my Telegram room. You can see it's going nicely, slowly in uptrend direction, and all of the signals that I have been providing with the ECS Live are very, very good and in profit. So if you want to join the ECS Live, guys, you can always tune in and go for that because I'm managing trades myself. You can go to elitecurrency.com and go for the live here. This is what we offer. So please come and see how I trade. Now, quickly trading ideas, guys. I was actually thinking about the short on gold, but the problem is I didn't get there on time. The actual signal was 1867 sell, but the price now already dropped for some 70-80 pips. So I think there is a possibility for maybe if the market doesn't break 1855, it can go higher, and then we can see a sell from 1875 for 80 levels. Regarding other trades as well, US 500 cash or the S&P, in my opinion, should go further up. It's been ranging the whole day, but in my opinion, it should go up towards 37.90 and 38.28. Another one that I have is we are already short 75.22.23. This is a short trade in the New Zealand dollar yen. So my trading group already has it, and I think that there is a nice opportunity for the New Zealand dollar to drop. Regarding silver, guys, there has been a lot of hassle now in the markets regarding GameStop stocks and all these silver trades. I need to tell you that there is no reason to worry because actually silver market has a huge physical base and it cannot be easily manipulated as individual stocks. This is one of the reasons why I'm not trading individual stocks. I trade Forex. I love Forex market, live CFDs on Forex and gold and equities. So in my opinion, guys, what I would wait for is that market hits 8.8 resistance, then makes an inverted end pattern, and this will be a signal for a sell. So if the market gets to 31.22, expect a sell from that level too. GBP dollar is actually having a nice bounce, but the thing is I didn't get a sell because I still was waiting for the ultimate resistance zone here to actually sell it. In my opinion, GBP is also ranging market. And another trade that we might see in the future is the GBP yen. So what I will be waiting for is something like this. So if the market goes down, then goes up, I will be searching for a sell close to 144, 143.85. So this is what I'm going to search for. Of course, this is based on my Maramet 88.6 trading. It's not available on our website, so you need to contact me for further instructions how to teach, if you want me to teach you. So basically, I'm trading this with my live group, so you can, of course, join the ECS Live. Go there, guys, on our website, see how what we offer, and enjoy every day some signal. I'm trading this mostly now on 4-hour time frame. So we are not stressing out. You really need, you don't need to pay attention literally to every time on your phone because all the signals that I provide are 4-hour time frame now, and it's easy to actually trade it. There is no big difference. So you don't need to enter exactly on the same minute. I actually say now it's time to go long or short because 4-hour time frame trading is a little bit more relaxing. And I'm still, of course, expecting a lot of profits. So these were quick trading ideas. The last one was the dollar CAD. I was waiting for a long, guys, but you know what? I need a little bit more of a pullback towards 26.40, 30, 50. This is when I'm going to go long. Hope that you enjoyed. See you soon. Join DCS Live and trade safe, guys, as always. Bye for now.